Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your GIS News for February 21. The National Housing Trust, the NHT, will still be able to carry out its mandate even though the agency will contribute $44 billion over the next 4 years to the consolidated fund. That assurance came from Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller on Wednesday as she handed out land titles to NHT beneficiaries at Longville Park Phase 3 in Clarendon.
The NHT will be able to honor all its commitments to its contributors. At the same time, the NHT will remain a major player in the construction industry, spending billions of dollars as is customary.
The Prime Minister said it was necessary to pull the money from the trust to help clear up the country's debt. Meanwhile, scores of NHT beneficiaries have received their land titles for houses at Longville Park Phase 3 in Clarendon. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller said through the investment, the NHT had improved the standard of living for many Jamaican families.
To ensure you have reserved areas for the churches, and that we will see police stations, basic schools. I hope you'll have daycare centers, and I hope you'll have all the facilities, including the sporting facilities, in this community.
The NHT will be working with residents and private sector interests to develop the amenities in the Longville Park community. 918 housing solutions were developed in Phase 3 of the project at a cost of $4.8 billion. The World Bank has commended the government for implementing the National Debt Exchange and other initiatives to secure the recent staff-level agreement with the International Monetary Fund, the IMF. The bank's executive director, Marie-Lucie Morin, said it's a move in the right direction and would help to improve the country's economy. She said the World Bank stood ready to assist in any way it could. Ms. Morin's comments came during a meeting with the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Anthony Hilton, and a delegation at the World Bank headquarters in Washington, D.C. Tuesday. Minister Hilton arrived in Washington on February 18 for a 4-day visit to promote the Global Logistics Hub initiative. Tourism and Entertainment Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil is expressing optimism that the new Jamaica Me Happy marketing campaign will provide a major boost for brand Jamaica and help bring more tourists to the island.
I am confident that this campaign will effectively ride the wave of publicity created by the VW ad, especially in the social media, and provide a major boost for brand Jamaica, which we believe will help to lure more visitors to our shores.
The Jamaica Tourist Board campaign will include videos featuring Eric Nicolaisen, the lead actor in the highly publicized Volkswagen 2013 Super Bowl commercial. Mr. Nicolaisen arrived in the island Monday to begin a series of promotional activities organized by the JTB. The Jamaica Me Happy video project is now underway and will feature some of the island's most iconic spots as its backdrop. As part of the new marketing venture, Jamaica Me Happy vacation packages have also been developed, and some 24 hotels across the island are now participating. And finally, the country's cadre of oral health professionals is to be boosted as the government continues to improve healthcare delivery in the public health sector. Portfolio Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson made the announcement during the launch of the 19th Annual University Diabetes Outreach Program's International Diabetes Conference, which was held at the University of Technology on Wednesday.
I have started to look at the human resource cadre and already forged important bilateral partnerships to improve the situation.
Minister Ferguson said improving the current ratio of 1 dentist to 17,000 persons would have significant impact on the management and reduction of oral health issues. The Diabetes Conference, of which the JIS is a partner, is set for March 21 to 23 at the Sunset Jamaica Grand Hotel in Ocho Rios under the theme Diabetes and Oral Health. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.